Here's Kanopy app, Thoughtful Entertainment. It's quite high in the charts in entertainment. So yeah, you can just tap get to install it. So it's pretty cool app. Now you can watch some nice entertainment, but you will need your library card. I guess this app works in US, so you need to be assigned to your local library, which kind of has some partnership with Kanopy app. And then it's super handy app actually. No ads, no payment, just access with your library card. Stream thousands of films for free without ads through your library. Sign up with your library card, start watching festival award-winning films, thought-provoking documentaries, Criterion Collection, and more with new titles added weekly. Browse Kanopy Kids for unlimited age-appropriate shows and movies with access to parental controls. So discover new films weekly, enjoy at home or on the go, search titles, cast, filmmakers, and more. And then here you just have like this app, can connect to here, and then you need to add your library card. You'll need a library card or university login to start watching on Kanopy. First, find your public library, then enter your library card information. Are you a student or professor? So you can also just try to find your university, like for example, and then use your like Harvard University login to connect with Kanopy. And then here you just need to automatically sign in with your Harvard key, for example, with your account. And then you will have access to the app. Because I guess all these universities and the libraries, they have kind of agreements and copyright agreements with all of this. This is not like obviously Netflix, while you have all the movies and stuff. This is just like selected documentaries, just specific types of movies. But still, it's a very nice benefit which you can get with the app. So yeah, pretty cool.